Hey, good morning, Gateway students. We're nearing the end of our movie set project. We've been working on it since mid-April, and the due date is May 15th. And I'd say if you have a room and a dining set with a door and a piece of artwork on the wall, you're among the elite. At that point, you can add other elements of your choice, which I recommend you do so. This is supposed to be a fun assignment that you play with and you learn how to use Sketchup. It's free. It's on the internet. Should be no excuses not to be able to do this. With a little resilience, with a little tenacity, with a little practice, you have another piece of software at your disposal. I'm going to show you how to make the room. I'm going to show you how to place your dining set on the floor. I'm going to show you how to do the door, put the decals on. So without further ado, let's begin. All right, let's begin today's lesson by launching Sketchup for Web. The objective today is to create the movie set portion of the dining table and movie set scene. So let's begin by creating a new simple template, feet and inches. And as we've done, I want you to go to the right, select the Model Info tab, use a decimal setting and a snap interval of 0.125. Then again, select the 5'8" lady and hit the delete key. Move back to the right and use the Views tab. You select, and I recommend using top view today. Also, parallel projection. So select parallel projection, top view. Down the bottom left, you'll see the pan tool. Move your axes down to the lower left corner. Select the rectangle tool. Select the origin and start to draw a rectangle. You want a large room, so on the keyboard, type 300 for 300 inches, comma, 300, and enter on the keyboard. Then you can use your mouse wheel to zoom out and see that you've made a large square. And you can use the pan tool. Okay, now I'm going to use the push-pull tool to extrude. I'm drawing, pulling it out. You can rotate if you like. Oops. Use the pan tool to draw. And I'm going to make this thing 12 feet high, so I'm going to type 144 on the keyboard and hit enter. Now I'm going to draw a second rectangle. So I select the rectangle tool, click the origin, and start to draw. And what I'm going to type this time is 296, comma, 296. Enter. That gives me 4-inch walls on both sides. And then I'm going to use the push-pull tool. I select the push-pull tool, select the top of my rectangle, and push, and type in 140 on the keyboard, and then enter. Now that gives me a 4-inch floor and 4-inch walls. At this point, I want to put a wood floor. I've already saved the decal for wood floor, so I go to the folder next to the word save, and I actually select it and insert from computer my wood floor decal. Select, open, and select the button material. And then click on your floor. When you see the little pop-up that says on face, you know you're selecting it in the right place. Click. And then I think if you click a second time, it covers your entire floor in wood flooring. Now I'm going to look at my room from the left view. So I select the house. Looks like it has a little window on it here. And I'm going to draw a door. Select the rectangle. I'll draw a big rectangle on the wall. And type your dimensions. Doors are typically about, hit 80, comma, 36, enter. You can create a door. You can use the select tool, actually make a marquee around the whole door. Use the move tool and you can pull it into position. That's where I'm going to locate my door. Now I'm going to use the orbit tool to rotate my room a bit and use the push-pull tool. Push-pull. Select the door and pull it out. Just type 1 on the keyboard and enter. And the next step is to go up by the word save. There's a folder once again. Select that. Select insert from computer. Navigate to your door decal. Click open. This time use image. So select the image button and select the face of your door. Click. And then draw your door decal there. Now I'm going to use the side view again. So I go back to the upper right, select the side, and I'm going to then use the select tool to select the decal and move it and scale it into position. So I'm going to place it approximately in the right place, and then I'm going to use the scale tool. You can grab the sides and scale it, and it appears to snap into location. So now I'm placed my door decal just where I want it, and if I rotate my room, I can see there's a door decal right on my door. Now that I have my door decal placed and my wood flooring placed, what I'd like to do is review the views before I move to the artwork decal. So I look at my model from top view to make sure everything looks fine. Look at it from front view, side view, and I realize that what I want to do is look at my model from front view. So I select the house with the door on it. Now I'm looking at my model from front view, and I'm going to place a rectangle on the wall where I'm going to put my artwork. So I'm going to select the rectangle tool, and I'm going to draw a rectangle, and I can't recall the exact size, so I'm just going to put in what I think appears to be a proportionately nice, aesthetically pleasing rectangle, and then review, rotate using the orbit tool, select the push-pull tool, select my rectangle and pull it out, maybe 2 inches. Enter. Now I have a piece of artwork. So now what I want to do is, again, use the folder next to the word save, click insert, from my computer, navigate to my artwork, select open, select image, and place it on the face of my art canvas. So I click it twice. Click. Okay, now I need to scale it. So again, use the select arrow, select my art piece, I select the scale button, and then I can drag and snap my artwork. And again, zoom in if you'd like, so that you can snap your artwork to your canvas. All right. And I believe now I have my room. So the final step then would be to again go back to the folder, insert, from Trimble Connect this time. That's where I've saved my place setting, my dining set. Again, navigate to your dining set and insert as component. And if I look at it from front view, I believe I can snap it into position. As I was saying before, I believe you select the bottom line of your component. Now let's look at it from top view. Okay, we can move it a little bit away from the wall, put it in the back corner of the room, and then the final steps will be to put it back into perspective projection. Use the orbit tool to rotate my room into an aesthetically pleasing view. Maybe more of an angle. Move it up slightly. Now I'm going to save the entire composition. So I select the word save. Here I'm going to put in movie set for the file name, movie set. And then select this button that says save here. Now at this point, it's saving, as you can see. Might take a few minutes. And now the word is saved. So then I use the file folder, select it, export as PNG. Looks like a nice composition. So I select export as PNG, continue. And you'll see the word movie set PNG down in the bottom left corner, and you know it's in your downloads folder. Now that's the image that you turn in.